start. The bedrock of the case set against the successful candidate, the court should be doubly sure that it is not lured to fall in the labyrinth of chaos and confusion by easily holding that the corrupt practice alleged has been proved. Stop. Para. With this short prelude, we would now proceed to give an exhaustive glimpse of the contentions raised before us by the parties. Stop. Before, however, we do that, we must record our appreciation and gratefulness to the counsel for both the parties who, in a big case like this, had been fair enough to confine their arguments only to two polling stations, viz. Kalka and Burthal, which has rendered our task much easier besides saving a lot of time, labor, and expense. Stop. We also feel indebted to the learned counsel for the parties for having argued the case with dexterity and brevity, which, as it is said, is the soul of wit. Stop. Para. The present appeal arises out of an election held on May 19, 1982 to the Haryana Vidhan Sabha from Rewari constituency number 86. Stop. In view of the concession made by the counsel for the parties, we are concerned in this appeal only with two polling booths, viz. Kalka and Burthal. Stop. It appears that there were as many as 5 candidates and Ram Singh, respondent, seems to have been pitted against the aforesaid candidates. Stop. Para. The bedrock of the allegations made by the appellants against the respondent was that he has been painted to be a most undependable and unreliable person from the moral point of view, as having changed sides with one party or the other to suit his needs and divided his loyalties by playing a dirty game of politics, in that he changed sides without any fixed ideology, and the only principle which, according to the appellants, the respondent had was lust for power. Stop. It may be pertinent to note here that the respondent had also alleged Rao Birendra Singh, who, according to him, was the evil genius of the whole show, had set up his sister Sumitra Bai to contest the election in order to get the respondent out of the way. Stop. However, we are not at all concerned with any of these matters or allegations which appear to be foreign to the scope of the present appeals, nor are these matters of which any serious notice can be taken, because, as Shakespeare has said, everything is fair in war and love. Stop.